Hey mom, is it okay? I don't want to eat the tofu anymore.
You don't want? Ha? I will let you down there at isasupalpal ko itong lahat sa bibig mo. Butang ina ka. Mas ka rito.
Yes, it's boba.
Not the only balls you ever had. Ass eater. Why is they saying Mama Lulu is evolving? Is that me?
I named it after you. Look at it. Look at it.
Joke?
Look at it.
Oh my God. I just bought this today. I don't know, Apple. I really didn't do it. Scout's honor. I didn't do it. I was Cinderella.
Huh?
The movie will end in 5 minutes.
Why?
The stepsisters and the stepmother will be poisoned. Especially the cat. Period.
Mom, as a 65-year-old woman, what is your advice to people in their 20s?
In your 20s, be a whore. Because when I'm 20, I didn't. But now I'm 65, I'm a whore.